boy was just 2 years old. Both deceased were taken to Tabang Long village. The permanent
Mother-son duo killed in landslide in the Menglong district, Long village amid heavy rains. National Highway 37 cut off due to landslide at multiple places amid heavy rains in Noni district. And Rajya Sabha MP Lesem Basanajauba tables Manipur issue in Parliament, demands long-term solution for peaceful coexistence and other necessary arrangements. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinao, giving you the news in detail. In a heart-wrenching incident, a family in Long village of Tamenglong district headquarters was shattered during their sleeps. It was around midnight last night. A landslide from the above hill slope inundated and tore down the house of Ringsing Lung Kamai, a 32-year-old, killing his 2-year-old son instantly. Neighbors hearing the loud noise came out and found the whole family trapped inside the fallen house and debris. Neighbors helped the mother and the father out, who were badly injured, and rushed them to the district hospital. However, the mother breathed her last on the way, enquiring the well-being of her baby boy. The father, who is a constable serving in Manipur Police, was referred to Jenims Imphal for further medical treatment. The deceased mother, Dunjang Leung, aged 28 years, was originally from Khopum Valley, while the baby boy was just 2 years old. Both the deceased were taken to Tabang Long village, the permanent residence of Ringsing Lung, to conduct their last rites. Meanwhile, taking to his ex-Hedel, Chief Minister N. Biren expressed deep sorrow from the tragic loss of the mother and her child due to the landslide that occurred last night. He said immediate steps have been taken up to ensure that the surviving family man receives the necessary medical attention and advanced care. On the other hand, Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong, Dr. Angshim Dangsava, Tamenglong SP, host of district-level officers, CSO leaders, and people from all walks of life came to extend their condolences and assistance to the bereaved family. Tamenglong DC, speaking to the gathering, assured all possible help to ensure payment of ex gratia to the next of kin of the deceased and financial assistance to the injured. Due to the heavy rainfall that occurred since last night, normal life has been badly affected in Noni district. Landslides and mudslides occurred in many locations. Power supply has also been disrupted. A major landslide occurred at a place between Nungba and Rengpang village along National Highway 37 or the Imphal-Jiribam road. Due to the landslides, the national highway has been cut off at various places. Portion of the road has been swept into a deep gorge between Taodaijang and Rengpang village along Bishnupur, Khopum, Rengpang road or the Old Kasar road. According to the local residents, it will take some days to reconnect the road. According to a report, another landslide occurred along the National Highway 37 near K. Sinam village. Rajya Sabha MP Lesem Basanajauba yesterday raised the demand for a rehabilitation package and a long-term solution for peaceful coexistence in Manipur during his special mention on the floor of the parliament. Addressing his special mention, Leishemba stated in the parliament that it is now evident that the simmering tension in the state is gradually subsiding. Normalcy is inching slowly and there is hope for a peaceful solution in near future. He expressed his gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and his government for their steadfast, far-sightedness, expertise and untiring efforts in bringing a near peaceful solution in the state. Leishemba urged the union government to put in a little more effort, stating that with timely push, the peace process and resettlements could be quickened. He further demanded the union government to provide a suitable rehabilitation package, a long-term solution for peaceful coexistence and other necessary arrangements which deem fit to restore the peaceful and glorious past of Manipur.
However, if the union government puts a little more efforts and with timely push, the peace process and resettlement could be quickened. People have suffered enough and they need a respite now. So, I demand the union government for a suitable rehabilitation package, a long-term solution for peaceful coexistence and other necessary arrangements which deem fit to restore the peaceful and glorious past of Manipur.
Manipur police conducted multiple operations yesterday, resulting in the arrest of 4 insurgents and the rescue of an abducted individual. 2 members of the proscribed Revolutionary People's Front, People's Liberation Army, RPF-PLA, were arrested in Imphal West District. The suspects, identified as Wahengbam Tombi Singh, age 47 years, and Thaudam Hemchandra Singh, age 42 years, were allegedly involved in extorting educational institutions and private businesses. Police recovered 4 mobile phones, a wallet, 13,520 rupees in cash and a 4-wheeler vehicle from their possession. In a separate operation, 2 active cadre of the banned Kangleipa Communist Party (PWG) were arrested in the same district. H. Kenjen Singh, age 36 years, and Irom Mikoi Singh, age 47 years, were reportedly engaged in extortion activities targeting educational institutes in the Imphal area. 3 mobile handsets, a wallet, an Aadhaar card, 30,690 rupees in cash, and a 2-wheeler vehicle were seized during their arrest. Security forces also rescued 1 Mangminlan Kibjen, aged 24 years, who had been abducted on July 28 after straying into fields in Bishnupur district. Authorities are verifying Kibjen's background and preparing to hand him to the appropriate agencies. Further search operations at Pechi Chinglak Bridge in Thoubal district yielded a cache of weapons and ammunition. The seized items include 5 HE-36 hand grenades, an SLR magazine, a 40 mm lethal cell, a detonator, 3 smoke shells, 26 live rounds, 52 empty cartridge cases, 7 HD cartridges, and 3 unmarked fire-out cartridges. In an inspiring tale of bravery and determination, Irengbam Pushpa Chanu, an internally displaced person (IDP) from the Urup OBC Girls Hostel Relief Camp, has brought pride to the state by securing a silver medal at the 8th International Karate Championship Indian Challenger Cup. The prestigious event took place in Kolkata from July 26 to 28. Hailing from Moreh Ward No. 9, Pushpa Chanu, born to Irengbam Doren Maitai and Irengbam Mikhubi, is currently a Class 10 student at Urup Higher Secondary School. Despite the tragic circumstances that have affected her life since the outbreak of violence in the state on May 3rd previous year, Pushpa has demonstrated remarkable resilience and determination in shaping her own destiny. Her passion for karate, ignited in 2018, has driven her to train relentlessly under the guidance of coach Arambam Grayson. Even in the darkest time, Puspa's unwavering faith in herself propelled her to shine brightly, achieving this remarkable success. The District Administration of Imphal East has commended Puspa's indomitable spirit and congratulated her on this significant accomplishment. Her journey serves as a testament to the relentless efforts of individuals pursuing their dreams despite facing setbacks and adverse circumstances, reminding all to persevere and continue to shine in the face of challenges. A Ministry of External Affairs MEA official in Agartala has said that infiltration, especially by Rohingyas from across Bangladesh border, has become a very serious issue. As many as 29 Bangladesh nationals with no valid travel documents were arrested in 2 places in Tripura since Saturday. MEA Joint Secretary Ankan Banerjee told media that the presence of Rohingyas has been found in Hyderabad, Haryana and Kashmir. This is a threat to the security. He further said the infiltration issue is being discussed at the highest level. The ministry wants to push the illegal immigrants back, but the MEA can't give clearance until the host country establishes their identification of nationality. The MEA is just an intervening agency which can't issue clearance unless nationality identification is cleared by the country concerned. Banerjee also said that the MEA has been trying to expedite connectivity with the Northeast and Kolkata through Bangladesh. This connectivity is a political issue. While referring the massive protests in Bangladesh recently, he expressed confidence that all the pending issues will be addressed amicably by the highest leadership of both countries.
This is a constant endeavor. We have got our security forces, the BSF is there. So we are trying our best to stop. But it is a large border. It is not typical to only India and Bangladesh. It is even Mexico and United States. It is true wherever there is an income disparity. And although the government authorities try their level best to stop this kind of infiltration, we can only try to strengthen it further. It is not that there will be a separate country or separate state. It is not like that. There is no such big proposal with any government. But we have to augment our efforts. That's it. Till the time it is adopted by the government as a legislation, it is the personal view of the Honorable MP. So I cannot really comment on any personal views of the MP. It is not the opinion of the government of India. It is not the opinion of any of these so-called states which should come under the central. So I will leave it to the government of India and which is in hands of experts to address these issues.
Before we end the headlines once again. Mother-son duo killed in landslide at the Tamenglong district's Dimthanlong village amid heavy rains. National Highway 37 cut off due to landslide at multiple places amid heavy rains in None district. And Rajya Sabha MP Lesem Basana Dawa tables Manipur issue in Parliament, demands long-term solution for peaceful coexistence and other necessary arrangements. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.